Hello traders, this is USDCHF and we are currently in the monthly time frame. The bigger range I have identified as previously I have done is this range, which I want to put in black because this is the biggest range I have at the moment. So you guys can see the single candlestick or a little bit high has controlling everything here. Everything is controlled from here by this single guy. And this is ranging for a long time in this zone. Though the spread is very high, if we consider the 50% of it is someplace lying here, I will make this video as much short as possible because a lot of complaint that I am taking too much time making the video. Anyhow, so the price never reached this 50%. Always it has made a double bottom here officially, you guys can see, and always with this red and green, and we have this red and green. Always we consider tweak or shadow, whatever you say, this is the depth of the market, and you guys can see how the depth of the market affects the whole thing. So price came down to this level, testing this particularly this guy, and this guy has been tested now. So this is the area, and if we go beyond that, we have a very little imbalance left here. Very little imbalance. Uh, Very little imbalance has been left here, and this is the imbalance left beyond this. What you say? Beyond this, this double bottom we have. Now we are expecting the price to come to this 50% initially. Okay, guys. Now we need to find the other imbalance, and we what I can see, the immediate imbalance, it is monthly, is here. This is the area. Hold on guys, I need to reduce it, it is too much. This is the area we have. Let me increase the size so we can understand. Okay, this shadow bottom, the bottom shadow, and the top shadow of this candle, this is imbalance has been left. So far I can see this came down, it has went up, taken out the whole imbalance. Now we had an imbalance here, it is also imbalance we are seeing at the moment, that this is the area of imbalance which has been created. Once the price went up, it didn't came down again. So this is the place. So we have a official double bottom here in red, so let's mark it in red, so we can understand the price structure, the market structure very easily when we do the analysis. And the top of this is this guy, so mark it also here. And this is no double top from the month actually. This double top is from somewhere else, so I'm not going to mark it at the moment. The price came down here, taken out this lower low, went up, and now it has taken out this lower low also. But for the last 2 months, I mean on January, the price failed to break the first barrier. This is the break of change of character, it did. So I am if we do think about the monthly trend line, you guys can see, if we draw a trend line from here, we don't have any green and red, so the monthly trend line, to consider the green, we should have to do it like this, green and red, at least one green and one red should be touched. So I don't know if it will be very easy to break this trend line because CHF is very strong currency, the highest reserve they have. People are comfortable with Swiss franc more than US dollar. That is the take we have. Now we have to find out this double this double top. Double bottom is clear now. It is coming from here, so this side is clear. So we want to find what happened here, and and you guys, if we disregard this, at least we can see we have a double top here. Maybe no, in monthly we don't. So let's move to weekly now. In weekly, let marks where and what we want to find. This is the place we want to find what happened here. Push the price like this, and also we want to see what happened here because we didn't find any double top in the monthly in this region. In this we have, yes we have, sorry, I beg your pardon guys. So the monthly double top happened here. We don't need to find it anymore, no point, because if you guys think this is the price zone, sometime people are very bothered drawing the price zone, but this is the price zone, just I want to mention. So we took the top one. Let's forget the price zone. So double top, double bottom, and if we measure the current double top and double bottom at the moment in a smaller range, this is the place where the 50% is buying, and this is the bigger range we have. So at least we are expecting this red line to be, the price should come here. It tried, can you guys see? It tried here, failed, came down, then it went up, made this, so it is this. Let's go to weekly. We want to see what happened here, and you guys can see now that this double top has been happened from here, this green and red in weekly. So we can draw it in weekly here and change it that this happened in weekly, and this caused the price to push back here. So once it happened in monthly here, I don't know where the these guys are going away, why. So in weekly this was the top, this was the bottom in month, and now we have this double top from here. In weekly push the price here. So the range what we have declared earlier, this red guy, you see this is the 50% area. Now our range has been reduced more. So if we consider the weekly double top, the current range is from here to here, this area. And again, if we draw 50% of it and change the color, and this is the 50% we have now. Okay, we don't want it to be seen anymore, and still the it is less than 50%. We have a tapping into the monthly imbalance area. It tapped last week, and it broke out of that, creating that imbalance, and once it creates the imbalance, it tapped, and then it will move on the upper side. That is my way of thinking. So again it has been resisted here, and I would like to see what happened to created this red candle on the last week of January, the week before the last week of January. So let's move to daily. Let me mark it so we can find it easily in daily what happened here, and let us remove this, as we have already found this is a weekly double top. So coming back to daily now, we can see, can you guys see this red and green and this red and green? So this single, all the time, the single candlestick of opposite color in any trend is very powerful. So this double top has been created actually from here. Okay guys, this is the red, so we consider the depth of the market, change the color to daily pattern, daily color. This is the double top which has created. Again, If you go to weekly, it will be very clear. So this double top is created in daily and push the price like this, and it came down like this, and now it is trying to do this. So let's move back to daily, and this is the daily situation we have now. This is the monthly imbalance. I need to reduce the color, guys. Hold on, so it doesn't look so odd. 50% will be fine. Okay. So in daily, you guys can see it came down, tapped into the imbalance of the monthly, and then it is trying to move on. So in daily, we don't have that much imbalance left, except this area. We can see this is the area, the daily imbalance has been left. This is the area, daily imbalance has been left. Also, it is inside the monthly imbalance, so we can consider or not, it doesn't matter. No imbalance we found here, no, nothing is here. So what will happen now? Question is this: what we should do? My way of thinking is this, that it will move a little bit up before, because this is a rejection and it is a very big bullish candle. Last day of the last week, and it has already change of character has been done. If we can consider this guy, this is the change of character happened already. So once it breaks this area, this double top of the daily, maybe it will break out of the trend line or not, I don't know. But in daily, after forming this double top, if we consider the range now, the range is like this at the moment, and you guys can see this is the 50% of the range. Okay guys, and this 50% of the range has been crossed long back before here, but it tried to reach the 50%, it failed. So in my opinion, if you see daily at the moment, there is a little bit, you guys can see a little imbalance is left here. If we consider the week, then this is the imbalance left in daily. So my way of thinking, it will tap into this area respecting the this line, then it will come down to take out all this imbalance. After that, it may move upward. Not right now. I can declare it as bullish. Still, the structure has not been broken. It has not been taken out the daily first mark of the daily. It needs to be taken out if it needs to be bullish. And this double top happened from here, so I want the price to be something like this, go taken out this, a little bit retest and come back here. After that, if it takes, if it survives this 50%, then it will take out this guy also. So this is the plan for me for US dollar CHF at the moment, and once it does so, then I think we have two consideration. One, to get it out, tap on the very monthly imbalance it left long back here in 2012, or if not again, then if it doesn't come to this region, because it's a very strong region, it will start moving up, coming back here. So for this week, this is my plan. So what I will do, I will take trade here, very plain and simple. This is the area I want to take trade, not anywhere else. This is the area I want to take the trade. This is the area, guys, I want to take the trade, not before anything. So that is my lead for this week for USD CHF. So I will wait, give a stop loss a little bit higher of this imbalance up to this, and if it is taken out, I will wait to see if the candle print beyond this line, because you guys can see this is a monthly trend line which is very strong. This is a monthly trend line which is very strong. So in daily, considering that, this is what the trend line I am watching for. And then maybe it will taking out all this liquidity imbalance, then it will move down. However, if it breaks this out, I don't think the monthly trend line will be broken. So he said, as far as the market structure is concerned, it needs to take out all this imbalance. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care, guys. I would really appreciate you are kind enough for the new viewers to subscribe the channel. I am heading towards 100 subscribers. I will appreciate your contribution.